I'm so tired, but I don't care. 5:12. Today is October 14th, 2024. We just got up about 12 minutes ago, and it's raining. We're heading to a parking lot. Yeah, we're gonna run in the basement, in the garage. So, no excuse, and no day off. Let's go. By the way, yesterday when we were at the Ho Lake, the wind was too strong. It kept blowing on me, and I was on a short sleeve. My stomach's not making. Yeah, it's quite funny at the moment, but it's all good. I'll be alright. Yes, you can do it, Carl. Let's go.